Okay, folks, this is simple. My name is Philip Lade, and I want to share my experience with you about SnoreStoppa. This is a SnoreStoppa patch. I don't mind saying I used to snore. Now I don't. I used to wake up tired. Now I don't. I used to get a shove in the back from my partner or get sent to the spare room. Now I don't. I searched the internet for a solution and found all sorts of fandangled devices and masks, and I tried them all, but nothing seemed to work for me. Then I found SnoreStoppa. At first, I was apprehensive about having the SnoreStoppa patch over my mouth while I slept, but out of desperation, I gave SnoreStoppa a go, and it worked. I'm converted. If you're a mouth breather and you snore, you should try it. It's simple, it's safe, it's comfortable, it's easy to use, and it costs less than 70 cents a day. What more do I need? I found in life that simple solutions are usually the best solutions, and SnoreStoppa fits that category.
Hi, my name is Tim Henry. I'm 34 years old and I suffer from a bad night's sleep through snoring and also breathing. What happens during the day when I don't get a good night's sleep is I have low energy, fall asleep in business meetings. When I'm driving, it's very dangerous because on a warm summer's day or late in the evening, I'll start falling asleep. And then I came across SnoreStoppa and gave me a 180 flip on my life. I now get a good night's sleep. Happy wife, happy life. I find when I'm in the day now, I've got full energy. I go through business meetings, I drive safe, my family's safe. It's revolutionised my life. So I really want to thank SnoreStoppa for that change and that result, and I'm really excited at my life going forward.
SnoreStoppa is a specifically designed and patented patch that goes over your mouth while you sleep. It holds your jaw in place. Your tongue stays forward, keeping your airways open. There's a tab on each side for easy removal. Here's how it works.
During sleep, the muscles of the throat that keep the airways open relax, restricting the airflow, creating a snoring noise. SnoreStoppa is a simple, comfortable patch that covers the mouth and stops the snoring. It holds the lips together and keeps the jaw in place, keeping the airways open and allowing you to breathe naturally through the nose, even if you are sleeping on your side. SnoreStoppa is lightweight, flexible, comfortable, and easy to use.
Now you are breathing naturally through your nose with no snoring. I'll show you how easy it is to use. Get a better night's sleep for less than 70 cents a day. Give it a go. It could even save your relationship.